Welcome to the new Kids Corner. Hi friends, let's learn about the letter J. J is the 10th letter in the English alphabet and it is classified as a consonant letter. Here is a letter J in uppercase. It is also known as a big or capital letter. Now we are going to write uppercase J. Start with the top and go down to the bottom. Then go around and up. Next, go back to the top and make a line across. Now you try. Here is a letter J in lowercase. It is also known as a small or simple. Now we are going to write lowercase j. Start in the middle and go down below the bottom, then go around and up. Next, make a small dot above the middle. Now you try. Shall we learn words starting with letter J? J is for jackal. J is for jacket. J is for jackfruit. J is for jade. J is for jaggery. J is for jaguar. J is for jail. J is for jam. J is for January. J is for jar. J is for jargon. J is for jasmine. J is for jaw. J is for J. J is for jeans. J is for jeep. J is for jelly beans. J is for jelly. J is for jellyfish. J is for jersey. J is for jester. J is for jet ski. J is for jet. J is for jewelry. J is for jigsaw puzzle. J is for jingle bell. J is for Joey. J is for jog. J is for joker. J is for joystick. J is for judge. J is for jug. J is for juice. J is for July. J is for jumbo jet. J is for jump. J is for June. J is for jungle. J is for Jupiter. J is for Jute. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video. Love your venue.